vlog. Time check. It's already 4:45 in the morning. Oh my God, aga ko naman. Actually, mas maaga pa ako nagising. 2:35 a.m. 35 or 2:30 something in the morning. Kasi yesterday, nakatulog ako na sobrang aga. I remember 4:05 p.m. Actually, nagpa-plan ako mag-grocery yesterday. But nakatulog na ako, kaya ito. Pagising ko ng 2, hindi na ako natulog ulit. Dahil grabe na yung tulog ko, sobrang haba. Today is Monday again. First Monday of February. Today is February 2. And I just finished posting my third mini vlog today. I will just post the page here on the screen. Please follow and like and please support yung channel. Nagtatry ako ng bago, like something new for my 2026. And yeah, just enjoy the rest of this vlog. Mag-prepare na ako maya-maya and everything. I think alis ako mga 6:30 a.m. mga ganyan. Or maybe before 7. Basta before 7. See you later! Hello guys! Tapos ko lang mag-prepare. Actually, suot ko na yung bag ko. And now, punta na tayong work. Saan muna tayo ng 7-Eleven. That's my building over there. This one is high school building. That building over there is the public school. This one is private. Tayong breakfast. My second cup of coffee today. I need energy. Dami kong substitute class today. Maraming wala. So, I'm gonna show you guys my office. This is marketing department office. So, I am a marketing teacher. This is my desk. Sorry guys, sobrang gulo. Sobrang kalat pa. Uy, sino to? Husband ko. Char! Ito pala, bigay lang yan sa akin ng co-teacher ko. Yeah, she's also a BTS fan. And, hindi nang bias. Si V. Ako naman kasi JK. And she also gave me this one. And then, yung head naman namin here, ito binigay niya sa akin, si Bright. Because sabi ko, idol ko si Bright. Okay, inom muna tayo ng coffee before ang klase. Klase ko is 10. 9:26 pa lang, so it's fine. I can still have my coffee. sa vlog. Bibili kami ng lunch with Teacher Ace. Teacher Ace! Ilang weeks ka na inuubo? 2 weeks na inuubo! Dahil sa air pollution. 40 baht. Isa na lang yung pipino. Banana chips. Yan.
เป็นข้าวตังหมูหยอง
อ๋อ
จะกรอบๆอร่อย
ชิม
ชิมแล้วตัวนี้เป็นรสนี่นั่น
I'm filming. Ito ako lagi bumibili. Kanin nila to. Mamaya pakita ko. Hapon ka. Let's go. Hanap tayo na.
ก็เมื่อกี้ที่ผมมองมาแล้วใครบอกว่าไอ้แคลแล้วแกไม่โดนอะไรดีเนาะมันยังอ่องๆอยู่
Finally, out na. Bye-bye. Uy, so...
เอ้ยฟิลเตอร์ไหมเนี่ย
ไม่ได้
บ๊ายบาย
Bye-bye, teacher.
Walk, walk, walk.
Let's go.
Walk, walk.
Walk.
บ๊ายบาย
Bye-bye. Ito, dinadaanan ng tren. From Den Road. Yan. Uwi na kami. Rice. Gusto ko brown rice. Wala silang brown rice sa Lotus, so pupunta tayo ng 7-Eleven.